Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple but super useful trick, how to download an image from Google Sheets. If you've ever imported or pasted images into your Sheets, you might have noticed there's no obvious download button. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to save any image from your Google Sheets onto your computer, whether it's inside a cell or floating above. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about those images that live asterisk inside asterisk your cells. Maybe you inserted a company logo, product shot, or even some student work, whatever it is, it's sitting neatly tucked inside a cell. If you try to just right-click on it and save, nothing happens. Right here, the trick. Start by clicking once on the cell that contains your image so it's selected. Now right-click directly on that image and you'll see a menu pop up. Go ahead and choose Image. This gives you a few options, and what you want is put image over cells. What this does is it takes the image out of that tidy, locked-in position and lets it float over your spreadsheet, almost like how images work in PowerPoint. This step is important because only images that are over the cells are directly downloadable. It's a bit counterintuitive, but trust me, it works. Alright, once that image is now floating over your cells, we can move on to the next step. This is where the magic happens. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while you're holding it down, right-click directly on the image. You'll notice a slightly different context menu appears, and one of the options is Save Image As. This lets you download the image straight to your computer, just like you would from a website. Pick your folder, give it a name if you want, and hit Save. And that's it, you've rescued your image from deep within those cells. Now sometimes you might already have an image that's over the cells, not inside them. Maybe you pasted it that way, or maybe someone else shared the sheet with you and the images are already floating. In this case, the process gets even simpler. All you have to do is click the image to select it, hold down Shift, then right-click on it, and once again choose Save Images. It'll ask where to save and you're good to go. No need to move the image or mess with cell formatting, just Shift, right-click, and save. A quick tip: sometimes it can take a moment for the context menu to appear, especially if your connection is a bit slow or the file is large. Don't worry if it doesn't show up right away, just give it a second and try again. And remember, if you don't see the Save Image As option, double-check that you're holding down Shift asterisk before asterisk you right-click. That's the little trick that makes this method work. So that's all there is to it. Next time you're working in Google Sheets and need to pull out an image, you'll know exactly what to do, even if Google didn't make it the most obvious thing in the world. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop them in the comments below. I always love helping out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.